Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then act. Open Settings and check iPhone storage so you know what's consuming space. If iCloud Photos is off, enable it, because optimized iPhone storage will keep smaller versions locally and push originals to iCloud. Once enabled, make a complete backup, either iCloud or a computer, so you can undo mistakes. While that backup runs, identify large albums and duplicate images. These are the first targets to remove or offload, because clearing them yields immediate space gains. Next, focus on the detailed execution. Sort your storage by largest attachments and remove unneeded videos, screenshots, or burst photos. Videos are often the biggest culprits. Then offload originals. Connect to a Mac or PC, copy the master files to an external drive, and confirm their integrity, because once offloaded, you can safely delete them from the device. Also, run a dedupe app or use the Photos app's recent tools to eliminate duplicates and similar shots. This reduces clutter without losing important images. To finish, empty recently deleted so the files are permanently removed, then restart your iPhone to force a fresh storage recalculation. This often frees space immediately. After reboot, verify settings iPhone storage and confirm iCloud Photos has finished syncing. Make sure your key albums are present. If something goes wrong, try signing out and back into iCloud to trigger a resync, and if photos are missing, restore from the backup you made earlier. That single restore step usually recovers lost originals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.